Sports for All is the inception of an inter-school sporting system for the school children of India. It is a platform that school children today deserve in order to showcase their sporting skills and actually fall in love with sport. What are the three things that a sportsman needs today? Needs a stage to perform and an institution to represent. Needs an audience that's going to be motivating and cheering him. And what is a sportsman without a record? He needs his records to be maintained. SFA encompasses all three aspects. Empowering our children with the right guidance, facilities and opportunity is the key to identifying, nurturing and building champions that will go ahead to represent our country. At our flag off event in December this year, 11,000 school children across 500 schools from Mumbai will come together to express themselves. The sport has been an integral part of every aspect of my life. For the last 25 years, I've somewhere or the other been deeply connected with sport. Having played 6 sports at the school, district and state levels and then pursuing my masters in sports management really drove me to take up sport extremely seriously. I also happen to be a sports administrator for the last 6.5 years with a reputed sports team. Having played, studied and worked in the field of sport, I realized that the state of inter-school sport has not changed too much in the past 20 years. It is still the same from the days that I played. As a nation, we've grown leaps and bounds in other areas, but I strongly believe that at the grassroots level, sport needs to be systemized. And this is a very, very good start. Driven by the vision of building an inter-school sporting system that India as a country can be proud of, we truly believe that SFA will be that platform that helps children realize their dreams and aspirations of playing professional sport. We are a bunch of go-getters, some sports lovers, some experienced sports administrators, digital masterminds who feel that their ultimate goal is to enable sports with their expertise. Professional sports bodies, a proven sports events team and all the people who believe that Sports for All is the real grassroots development platform that India as a country deserves. More importantly, all of us here have a single-minded focus and belief that Sports for All is the way to go. To the people who can influence schools, please bring your children to SFA between the 24th to the 31st of December 2015 this year and each year thereafter. To the parents, encourage your children, bring them along, come along and have a look at what your child can do. Future of sports is with you. These champions need to be identified. We are committed to doing that. To the children, this is your stage. Come to the D.Y. Patil Sports Complex between the 24th to the 31st of December and find out if there is a champion in you. So see you there and we will all together fall in love with sports.